A very good morning, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, senior citizens. This morning, I was thinking of something, and I thought to myself, there's so much people that is talking about our movement, and there's so much people that watch what we do with the movement. There's so much people waiting for us to fail with the movement. There's so much people waiting what the next steps are for the movement. And I just sat with a big smile on my face. You know why? Firstly, because we are prayed for movement and organization. Secondly, is that there is almost 6.3 million senior citizens in South Africa, and this movement is growing rapidly. And lastly, don't play with the senior citizens. Don't play. They've been down this road before, and they know what it is to be in the trenches. They know what it is to struggle. You mustn't play with the senior citizens. Those people mean business. Those people really mean business. And that is why we are growing so rapidly. Don't play with the senior citizens. Those people is ready for action. They're ready for action, and they are tired of being forgotten. My guys, senior citizens, bless you. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. You won't know. You guys give us momentum and reason to carry on. And we just want to say thank you. Stay focused. Stay focused. Don't worry. Good things are coming. Good things are coming. Have a super good day.